Welcome back to another video. I already started the video without recording. As you can see, the grill is off. Reason for that is because I wanted to change the front badge, because if you do remember, the badge was painted black. So I just looked at saying we have chrome indicators and we have chrome door handles, so we should also have a chrome front badge. I don't know how good it will look, but I saw a lot of MK1s on Instagram and they do look good. I decided to paint the grill silver again. I was thinking of painting it blue, but I decided to go with the original silver. But the car or the front without the grill looks crazy. I already put the dashboard back in, but not fully, only the top part of the dashboard. And I have to admit, there's nothing that looks good than a Citi dashboard, bruh. I'm done masking it and it looks like it's about to rain. I was deciding between blue and silver. I found a white can that I have never used. I sprayed the line, so we're going to see how it looks. Right now it's still on the second coat. I'm going to put third coat, then I'm going to put it back on the car. Hopefully it doesn't rain. The next day. This is the next day. Let's see how this came out. Places where we made mistakes, such as here, that's where I made a lot of mistakes. And here I missed this part. I don't know, the glue was over here. Also this part was also painted. I don't know how, but it was painted. Even over here it was painted, but I'm going to remove that with some petrol. I have some petrol over there. I'll be able to remove that. It will be quick and easy. So let me put the badge on. So I went ahead and cleaned the badge, and now it is looking good. Even on the side, I'm just going to put it back. And the badge now, because it is silver, it looks bigger than the way it was when it was black. Try to fit the grill and then we'll see how it looks. Well, it's not fully in, but it is in. Let me close it. I know we don't have the headlight on this side, but it might mess up with the look at the front. Close the bonnet and see how it will look.
No, God, please, no.
I think it's fine. It's not bad, but I do love the badge. The silver badge, I think it makes the car at the front to pop than the black badge. I wish I had the another badge and another grill that I can swap every time when I want to change the look. But I think I'll get used to the look, the way it looks. And from afar, you cannot see the mistake. I can see the white over there, but I will remove that. But I don't see the mistake. The mistakes are not really that visible. It's fine and unique because that's white. It's a blue Golf with a white stripe. It is a different from other Golfs. That's what I want. I want something different from other people. I don't want to be the same as everyone. We can have the same car, but at least let's see the difference between our cars. And yesterday I went ahead with the dashboard. Now I finished the dashboard. The dashboard is fully in. Now the dashboard is fully in. We still have some pieces that are missing, as we said from the beginning, like these pieces from here. So I'm going to remove this and try to put the full double dent tape. And here I will need a cover. Should I paint that white so that you can match with the grill? I should paint this white, but I'm not going to do it on this video. I'm going to do it on the next video.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
And I got this thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's a heater thing. So I'm just going to heat it up, and then I'm going to put some holes on the grill so that the grill can hold to the car. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope this will work. So I'm going to put the positive. I'm going to do the negative. This is going to go at the back, like this. So this thing going to heat up. I'm going to put some holes. So let me start. So we have a first hole over there, and another one there, and another one there, and there's another one there. I don't know what they call this, but it makes a lot of heat. Then you can use it for whatever. So since we're waiting for these to dry, I'm going to take the headlight for the other side. It's broken. It has no glass. So you can see that a lot of water went into the glass. Maybe it's the reason why the owner took it off, but this is the way it is. At the back it has a lot of LED lights, but somebody gave me this and I broke it by mistake. So it already had a hole over here, but it did not have this crack. So I guess I'm the one who did that. I wanted to remove the glass at first, but the thing is that the glass is already broken. But I can use this because I'm trying to do things on a budget. But you know, I think I'm going to buy a light. These lights are not really that much expensive. I think it's 400 pair of them. The thing is, I cannot find this one. If I was able to find this one, I would have bought this one. Well, I decided to use that light that they gave me. So it doesn't really look bad, but I think one day I'm going to change the light. It's either I'm going to go with this one or I'm going to go back to the original look. I used the small zip ties to hold the grill on the car since all the grill tabs are broken. I only used 2 of them because in the future I'm going to remove one of the headlights. It's either I'm going to go with the old style headlight or I'm going to go with the Jeep light headlights. I've put the seat back on the car. Here are the seat. I haven't cleaned them. Even at the floor I did not clean. But so I'm going to leave the video here. I'm going to end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's not a long video, just like the videos that I posted, but I'm trying to be faster, because if I keep the video longer it will take time to edit. But if the videos are shorter, it won't take that time to edit. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Well guys, I want to see my girlfriend's reaction about the front. If she likes the front, that means we did a good job. If she doesn't like the front, then we flopped. Tell me about the front. How does it look? How does it look?
How does it look?
You don't see the difference. You don't see the difference. Maybe because the plastic are here. Let me remove the plastic.
I don't even know what you did to the car. I don't know. Oh!
What?
There's a new light.
Oh, okay.
Well guys, it seems we didn't do a good job because he doesn't even see the difference. So she say we bought a new light and we haven't bought anything. So I don't know, but well,
So you
it seems we didn't do a good
see
job
them.
because she doesn't even see the difference.
No.
Yeah, she doesn't see the
did
difference.
See the color, the light. The
Nah,
white
you
thing.
didn't.
I did see
No,
that,
you
the
only
light.
noticed it because I said so. Well, that's her reaction, guys. She doesn't know what we did. So, yeah, it means we failed. So, yeah.
You said